Today we are going to discuss Python dictionary. So it is also one of the data type in Python, but there is like some syntax differences there, and the type of the way that we are going to store the elements in dictionaries is different. Okay, let's see dictionary in Python. So before going to the definition in Python, we can discuss about like normal definition. Okay, so you are aware of English dictionary, right? So on left side it's going to have the word and right side it's going to have the meaning. Correct? In the same way, in Python dictionary, on left side you are going to have the key and on the right side you are going to have the value. Okay, based on the key you are going to access the value associated with the key. Normally you are also going to check like that only, right? Based on word you are going to check that word on left side and you are going to get the meaning. In the same way, based on the key we are going to get the value that associated with the key. It is collection of key value pairs. Okay, hello,
Yes, yes.
did you
Understood.
understand what is Python dictionary?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah,
Based on the key values, you're gonna access the values and it's gonna be in the right side and the key
not
values
based
are in the
on
left.
key values. Based on key you can access the value.
Based on the
Okay,
key.
it is collection of key value pairs. Normally in list and all you are going to have 10, 20 like that individual elements, but here a key and value together we are going to call as element or item. Okay, clear?
Yes, Manasa.
Okay, so and it is mutable. Okay, means
Okay.
we can modify the data, we can add the data, we can delete the data, we can update the existing data. Such operations we can perform. Okay, so let me help you. Let me show you how we can create dictionary. Sorry, yesterday you asked me to share the sets document, right? Today I will share you the dictionary and set document. Both I will share with you.
Okay.
So same. The thing is we are going to use curly bracket. Okay. So don't think it is set. Okay. So the difference is there. That is syntax. A is my key and value associated with A is 10. 1 is my key and value I'm giving that to 20. 3 is my key and I'm giving the value as 45. If you see each key value pair I'm separating with colon and sorry each key value I am separating with colon and each key value pair I am separating with comma. So this a colon 10 we are going to consider as one element or one item. Okay, a is the key, whatever the thing you have before colon that is key, and after colon whatever data you have that is value. Okay, if you want to access the value 10 you should use the key a. If you want to access the value 20 you should use the key 1. If you want to access the value 45 you should use the key 3. There will be no indexes. Instead of indexes we are going to use keys to access the values. Clear? Deepa, is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes, Manasa.
Yeah. So now if you check the type, it's going to give see, type is dictionary. So the it is curly brackets only. Curly brackets we already use for sets, but in sets we are going to have individual elements. But if you see here you have key value pairs. Okay, because of that it's considering it as a dictionary. Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. Now I want to add an element to the dictionary. I mean, adding a key value pair to the dictionary. So what you can do? So the index you should use, and in that index you should give the key that you want to add, and after that you should use equals and give the value that you want to assign to that new key. So I want to assign 30, save, print. So you can see before adding also, after adding, both differences you can understand. See, first time B30 not added, but here the new key element like key value added. Okay, this is how you can add data like a new key value pair to the dictionary. Okay, Deepa, is it okay how to add new data to dictionary?
I understood. I understood.
It's going to add at end only, but here if you try to, okay, if you try to add the data which key already exists, okay, key A or key 1 already exists. Okay, see, key 1 already exists, right? And the value as associated with that is 20. So if you try to add a key that already exists, okay, what will happen, it won't add new key, it will just update the value that associated with that key. It will override. Why? Because dictionary won't allow duplicate keys. Dictionary won't allow duplicate keys. Okay,
Okay.
if you try to add a key value, a key that already exists in dictionary, it won't add a new key. Instead of adding new key, it will update the value that associated with that key. See, it
Okay.
updated, no? First value one, the value that associated one is 20. After doing this eighth line, so the value become 50. Why? Because the key one already exists and the value that associated with that key is override. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear
Do we
how
say
to?
that
Yeah,
an order or how?
sorry,
Do we say it's an unordered or it's ordered?
it's ordered only. However, you are
Oh,
inserting the data in the same way, like first element you added, and first in, like how to say, like it's going to add the data at end. Ordered in the
okay.
sense, I can say, see, ordered in the sense you can use indexing to access the data. Okay, here you have key
Mm-hmm.
value pairs, but if you add the data, it's going to add the data at end only. It won't swap the data, it won't how to say, shuffle the data. Like set going to shuffle the data, but dictionary won't shuffle the data. However you added, it will be in like in the same format only. And if you add a new element, it's going to add that new element at end of the dictionary. Okay,
Got it. Got it.
yeah, this is adding new data. This is how you can update the existing data also. Okay,
Okay. Updating the data.
yeah, and for example, I want to access the value 45. Okay, I already told you, to access the values we should use keys. What is the key for this value 45?
The
So just simply do print the index of the key you should give. Okay, normally
key.
in list and all you use the indexes. So here we should give the key. Save it. See, you access to 45. Now if you want to access 10, what is the key?
A.
It's A. So it gave you 10. This is how we can access the values. Okay, clear, Deepa?
Understood. Understood.
you can have a dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay, so nested dictionaries. Okay, so if you see here, I have a dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay, D is my dictionary, and D1 is one more dictionary inside D. This is nested dictionary, like nested list, nested tuple. In the same way, we have nested dictionary. Okay,
Hmm.
I want to
Okay.
access the data from nested dictionary. Like I want to print the data Python. I want to print the value Python. But where I have the value inside D1? Where I have
Hmm.
D1 inside D I have. This is nested dictionary. How we can access? First we need to access D1, right? D1 is the
Hmm.
key. So print D index of D1. Inside D1, I want to access the value Python. What is the key for Python? It's B, right? So one more subscript you need to take. Inside that you need to take B. Now it will print Python. It's D1. Oh, sorry. It's string, right? See, I got Python. Without that, without D1, if you try with B alone, it won't give you any data. It will give you B not found. Key, like name error, key error you are gonna get. B not found. Key error. Because this is B inside a dictionary called D1 and the D1 inside D. So this is how we can access data from nested dictionary. Okay.
Understood.
Okay. Like I
Manasa, for
just
name, uh,
tell me name what
yeah, for the name also, we don't have a key value.
name. This is
Hmm.
name. It is key and the value associated with name is Deepa.
Okay, okay, got it.
I already told you I'm going to separate each key value pair with comma and each key value I'm separating with colon. It's clear, right?
Hmm. Okay. Though it's clear, I wanted to ask, so it's going to be more clear for me.
See, it printed Deepa. Okay, so we need to check like if I want to print Deepa, I want to check the key associated with that, and the key associated with that is name. That name again inside the dictionary called D1, and the D1 inside a dictionary called D. So this is how. Okay, so if I need to access Deepa, this is inside D1. First I need to access D1. So to access D1, I use the dictionary D, and in subscript I gave the key. Inside that, I want to access Deepa, and Deepa's key is name. So in subscript, I gave name, it printed Deepa. This is how you can analyze. Okay,
Understood. Understood.
and then if you want to delete the elements, okay, if you want to delete a particular key value, how you can do that? We are going to use del keyword. Okay, so I want to remove this key value pair 3 and 45. Okay, this key value pair I want to delete. How you can do? You can use del, and inside that you should pass the dictionary name and the key. My key is
Okay,
3,
like,
and post to that if you print it. See, d colon 45 got deleted. Okay,
yeah.
and if you want to remove all the key value pairs, if you want to remove all key value pairs, clear or delete all the elements. For that, we have a method called clear. It will return empty dictionary. See, clear going to remove all key value pairs from this D, and it's going to return you empty dictionary. Okay.
Okay.
And copying a dictionary. So I want to copy dictionary from, like I want to copy one dictionary, like I want to copy the elements of dictionary from the dictionary to another dictionary. Okay. I want
Mhm.
to copy the elements of one dictionary to another dictionary. Okay. And my dictionary is my dictionary is D1, and I want to copy to D1 or D2. D dot copy. So the dictionary name dot copy. Now if you print D, print D1 will give you the same results. Sorry, it's D2. See, both are same. But if you do changes in D, it won't reflect in D2. If you do changes in D2, it won't reflect in D. Okay.
Okay.
This is deep copy. I will explain you the difference. Okay. I should have post to data types. I will explain the difference between shallow copy and deep copy, but this is deep copy. So what it will do, it will create two different instances or two different variables with two different addresses. So if you do changes in one dictionary, it won't reflect in another dictionary. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes, yes, it's clear to me.
Yeah. And I showed you one method, right? How we can access the data elements. So if I want to access 20, how I can do?
One.
What one? I want the whole sentence. Like I want the whole print statement. How we can do?
One.
What one, Deepa? I'm asking the whole print statement.
Okay. Print D,
Okay.
and then you're going to give the value.
You
Easy.
should tell index, okay. Print D index 1. So because the
Mhm.
key is 1 and it's going to give 20, right? This is what
Yeah.
I am asking. Okay. If you here with this one, if you try to access the key which doesn't exist in dictionary, it's going to throw you key error. Okay, it's going to throw you key error because 4, the key 4 is not there in this dictionary. You can see anywhere 4 is there. Inside D1 it is there, but I'm not accessing inside
For
D1.
that, we have to access D1.
Yeah, but I'm trying. So, okay, for example, if I give a key 6 or if I give a key C, so C is not there. So what it's going to give? It's going to give me key error when key error is there. But what I want, if the key is there, it should return me that value associated with that key. And if that particular key is not there, it should return me none value. None. None means nothing. In Python, none type is there. None type means there is no data, nothing. It's null. It's empty. Okay, it should return none. When if the particular key is not there in the dictionary, it should return me none. And if that particular key is there in dictionary, it should return me the value associated with that. Okay, for that we have a method called get. Okay, get. So see, now print d dot get. I want to print the value 20, and what is the key? It's 1, right? So I want to just print the value that associated with this key 1. Let me comment it. See, this is also same. You can use a D index or you can use get method. But the difference is, if the key is not there with this indexing method, it's going to return you key error. But if you use this get method and if you're trying to access the key that doesn't exist, it's going to return none.
No, I
See,
didn't understand.
sorry,
No, I didn't get you.
Deepa. So this is one way how we can access the key values. Okay, the values are associated with keys. This is one method using indexing. So the disadvantage with indexing is, if you try to access a key that doesn't exist in dictionary, it's going to give you key error.
Okay.
It won't execute the program, it will give you errors. Okay,
Okay.
but instead of that, if you are trying to access a key and that doesn't exist in dictionary, instead of throwing error, okay, it just need to return you none if that key is not there in dictionary. For that you can use this get method.
Okay. Either way, we can access. That is what you're
Yeah,
coming to
either
say.
way we can access. If you try with this indexing, it's going to throw you key error if that key doesn't there. And if you're trying to do the same thing with get, and if the key doesn't exist, it's going to return you none.
Okay. Understood.
Clear?
Understood. Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Any doubts with this get method and indexing?
No. Understood.
Okay. And I want to print all the key value pairs, okay, in the form of tuples. Okay. So for example, let me take a new dictionary and let me explain you. So I want output in the form of this, like each key value pair into a tuple. So if I'm enclosing the data inside this braces, it indicates tuple, right? You know that, I
Hmm.
think.
Yes. Yes.
So I want to convert each key value pair in the form of tuple. Okay. So to do this, we have a method called items. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It will give you list of tuples. List of tuples with each key value. So this square brackets indicates tuples, sorry, the square bracket indicates list, right? Inside list, each key value they are keeping in tuple. Clear?
Hold on. Hold on.
It's giving you list of tuples with each key value pair. So here 1 comma 10 is a key value pair, they gave in this way. And a colon 20, this is a key value pair, they gave inside tuple. Okay, this is how items going to work. Clear? Hello.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. It is.
And if you want to access keys alone, okay, if you want to access keys alone, you have a method called keys, the dictionary name dot keys. It will give you all keys. See, list of keys 1a b2. So 1A, B2. These are my keys, right? So it will give you list of keys. If you want to access the values alone, if you want to print all the values that associated with each key, you can use a method called values. It will give you list of values. See,
Okay.
10, 20, 40, 70, 10, 20, 40, 70.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, okay, if you want to merge two dictionaries together, okay, you want to merge two dictionaries together. So you want to merge these two dictionaries together, means this value of like all the data inside D1, I want to merge with D. Okay, you want to merge two dictionaries. For that, you can use D dot update you can use. Okay, inside update you can pass as many dictionaries as you want to merge, but you need to separate them with comma. First, let me show you how it will work, then I will show you with multiple dictionaries. Sorry, this is a string, right? I should enclose this with the see. Now I printed D only, but this name, age from the dictionary, second dictionary, all the data got merged with the first dictionary. Okay, if you do D1 dot update D, it will update the D1. Like whatever you are giving here, the first dictionary, it's going to update. If you want to merge three dictionaries together, you can have duplicate values, but you can't have duplicate keys. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just you need to separate it and you need to pass it D3. Okay, sorry. It's going to take only one, like it's going to update only one dictionary each time. It's going to merge one dictionary each time. It won't merge multiple dictionaries. It will merge two dictionaries at a time. That's it. Okay, update. Clear? Hello.
I don't know. I just got a bit confused.
So I am telling, okay, this update method going to merge two dictionaries at a time. Okay, two dictionaries at a
Mm.
time, and it will update the all elements. It will take from the second dictionary and it will
Two or
update in
three,
the
Manasa?
two.
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 Okay.
Yeah, it will
Mm.
take all the data from second dictionary and it will merge with the first dictionary. Okay,
Okay.
and if you see here, here I have one duplicate key, that is like in both, like in D and D1 I have common key, that is 2. 2 is common key, right? In D I also I have 2 and the value is 70. In D1 I also I have the key 2 and the value is 40. Okay, so whenever you are doing merge, the value in the first dictionary will update with the value in the second dictionary if the key exists in both. Hello.
Come again?
See, Deepa, I have same key in both dictionaries. Okay, while merging, I have same key in both dictionaries.
Mm.
Okay, at the time,
Mm.
for example, I am doing D dot update D1. So the value in the key, sorry, in the D means the value in the first dictionary will update with the value in the second dictionary.
Okay. Okay.
2 colon 70, right? And in the second dictionary 2 colon 40. If you finally see, the value of 2 became 2 colon 40. The 40 value from where it took? It took from the second dictionary. Okay.
Yeah.
The value in the first dictionary will update with the value in the second dictionary if same key exists in both dictionaries.
Okay, so the update D if you give, so it's going to be 270.
D1 dot update.
Mm.
And it's going to print D1, not D. You should print D1. See, it becomes 70. Because my first
Okay.
dictionary is D1 and my second dictionary is D, it will take the value from second dictionary and it will update in the first dictionary. Okay.
Completely.
Yeah. And then if you want to, like I told you, right, you can use a del method to delete the data. You have one more method to delete the data. Okay. D dot pop. You can give the specific key that you want to delete. I want to delete B. I want to delete B.
Printed.
See, B, the whole key value pair got deleted. B 40, this key value pair got deleted. Okay.
Yeah.
One more way to delete. And if you want to, if you give D dot pop item, it's going to remove last one. Here you no need to pass any data. For D dot item, you no need to pass any key or anything. You no need to pass. It is empty one. By default, it's going to remove last key value pair, pop item. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
And if you want to check if a particular key exists or not. Okay. If the particular key exists, I want to return true. If the particular key does not exist, I want to return false. Okay. So I want to check if B, the key B is existing or not. D dot has underscore key. And I want to check for B, right? It will return true if the key exists in the dictionary. D dot has key. Object has no attribute. Maybe this is work. This might be working in Python 2.0. In Python 3.0, this has key is not supporting. Okay. But Python has key is there, but that is in version Python 2. Currently, we are using Python 3 version, right? That's why it's not supporting.
Okay.
Okay. But it is
But
there,
this is going to
has key.
work.
In Python 2, not Python 3.
Okay.
Okay. It's going to return true if the particular key exists. It's going to return false if the particular key does not exist.
Okay, now
Okay.
it's true, right?
Yeah. And one more method is there. If you want to, by default, if you want to set a null value, okay, none value to the key. The key is C, comma, DFAU default equals to none.
I think again it's not supporting.
No. This is D, right? Sorry. See, by default you can set. Okay. The default value, how to set?
The key provides the key is not specified in the
If the key exists, okay, if the key exists, it won't do anything. But if the key doesn't exist, it's going to set the default value as none.
Okay.
Okay.
But it's going to come on the head, right?
Yeah, everything it's going to
It's
come
gonna
at
come
end
at the
of,
end.
it's going to add this key value pair, but at end of the dictionary.
Okay.
And final, I want to print each key value. Okay, I want to print each key value. How you can do? I already told you items, right? Items. How it's going to give you? It's going to give list of tuples. So with that help, you can access each key value pair. D dot items.
Yeah.
See, it gave you each key value pair. So what it will do each time? First d dot items going to give you list of tuples, right? I already told you it's going to give list of tuples like this. Okay, list of tuples like this.